Alright guys, here at Mumbley's, this is my first time seeing the truck. It's a 6.5 inch lift. Here it is. Give it a cold start. I'm gonna take it out, get it a wash, and show you guys these parts a little bit. Touching on ride quality real quick while I'm on my way to the car wash. It is an improvement from factory. It's a nice ride. You actually you don't feel the small bumps that much. You feel them a lot less. I got bigger tires on here, that helps, and then the coilovers, the reservoir shocks. I have done no adjusting to the reservoir shocks since from how they came from BDS. So however they came is how they are. It's too cold to be messing with them right now. I'm gonna it's 14 degrees out today, so I'm gonna mess with those and next summer. For now, it's a nice ride. And it's not going to be quite as good as like a passenger vehicle, so keep that in mind. It's still a heavy duty truck. I'm sure a Raptor or you know, a ride like that will even ride better. My 05 Durango has a smoother ride in it, but this is a heavy duty truck capable of towing, you know, 20,000 pounds. So when you get that type of capabilities, it comes with a little lack in the ride quality from the stiffer springs and leaves, but this has been an improvement. You get the look of a lifted truck with improved ride quality. You really can't beat it. Also, I was on the freeway and noticed it's just you're higher up, bigger tires, and at those speeds it seems like I need a steering stabilizer, which I don't have on here right now, and I think that would be nice to put on here with it. One negative about the lifted truck is since I got the lift on it, now I can't go in this automatic one. Automatic car wash. It says 7.1 clearance. I used to go in there, now we gotta go through here, do it ourselves. Mirrors almost hit. Six and a half inch lift, BDS COIL-OVER, torsion bar delete. Here's the stance on it. I got 2-inch spacers in the front, hub centric, 3-inch spacers in the back, hub centric, and you do that because the front, when you put this kit on, is actually sticks out an inch more, so that gives it more travel. The upper arms and lower arms are bigger, so you're gonna get more travel out of it. Adjustable shocks in the front. Here's the coilovers. Everything's powder coated in chrome. I got steering knuckle chrome, even the tie rods in chrome. Skid plate chrome, got the BDS in black riveted on there. Got your under control arms. Even got the bump stop brackets done in chrome. Probably shines a lot better when it's not full of ice, but everything's powder coated in chrome. On the back side here, I'm gonna be getting dual airbags soon, but right now it's got the 2.5 reservoir shocks in the back as well. Got the block done in chrome. Yeah, I like that you blacked out that BDS on there.
Yeah, just make it stand out a little bit.
That looks sweet. I'll have to talk to Mike about the airbags. We were definitely supposed to. You seen the dual airbag ready lift ones I'm talking about?
This is a setup I love.
Yeah.
I haven't got to put one on yet because he keeps fucking selling airlift to everybody, and I'm like, try the Ready Air. They're sleeve bags. They ride better than the fucking bellow bag.
Plus, they're advertised up there. We talked about them a lot. Yeah, I thought he was going to order those for me. But I thought it was going to be easier for you to put on when the back was already ripped open, you know?
Well, so that kit sits right on top of the leaf.
Okay.
So being that this is a block, it's even better. None of this changed from factory. Like if you did a whole lift spring,
right,
then you got to make spaces under that bag because they're made to work on a factory height truck. So this height here doesn't change.
Okay.
Because you just put a bigger block on the bottom to lift it back in. So it uses, there's bolt holes already here from when this thing, if it has like factory prep for fifth wheel hitch and all that shit.
Okay.
There's already holes in a frame that they reuse, and the brackets come down and they just clamp right here to leave.
So.
And the bag's set right here.
So that won't be too big of a difficulty.
No.
So he needs to.
It'll actually still be pretty easy, being that the truck is lifted now. So I won't take the tire off.
We need to have him get that ordered.
What the hell do you have in the back that's rolling around?
Back here?
Yeah, there's something rolling in the bed.
You know, it's probably
I turned and I left out of here. I fucking freaked out. I thought something fucking fell off the truck. I'm like, what the fuck?
The ball. I got the hitch powder coated, but the ball's still back there rolling around.
Gotcha.
Dude, unreal.
Do you want any of this shit we took off back or what? All your old control arms.
Here's the what are these?
Those are your old torsion bars.
That's the torsion bars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that goes, obviously your control arm, and this runs along inside the frame and goes to one of these guys that's sitting in another cross member basically under your ass.
Huh.
So that goes into there like that. Then this guy sits into the cross member, and this bolt pushing up on here is what sets the spring.
Got rid of all that.
Yeah.
Sweet.
They weigh a fucking ton too, like. It ain't fucking light.
No. I think some of the, like they came with the Z71 package. Someone might want to buy these.
How many of those things are in that fucking scrap pile over there? Ranchos are garbage.
Are they?
Yeah. The reason why they're on all the GMs, they were the cheapest ones through the bid. It cost Rancho 36 cents to build that shock.
Dang. 50-cent shock here. That's crazy.
They're 9000s, the bigger shock with the valves and all that on it. Those are a little bit better, but, and it's funny, BDS sends you, where the fuck they're in one of these boxes. Those.
I was gonna ask.
Those are the sway bar links for if you did the non-coil-over kit.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, why didn't these parts get used? But
yeah, those are for the non-coil-over setup that reuses your stock control arm.
Right on. Whose kit is that?
That's for F1 Shitty.
F1 Shitty. What's it getting?
I think it's a 4-inch.
BDS 4-inch.
want this, I can box it up and come grab it probably tomorrow sometime or whatnot, or whenever you want to eat up my airbags.
Alright, that's probably it for this video, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be making some more videos on what I think about it, maybe some review, whatever, but it's too cold today. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks.